I think we'll mostly go on here. As you see, I got another package. And yeah, it was raining outside, so that's why it was raining on it. So, just go ahead and open this one. And this is a good one. This one's probably one of the best ones I'll have in my collection. I've been waiting to get this for a while. But anyways, this is The Lion King on Blu-ray, and this is the Circle of Life edition. So I believe this came out last year, if I'm correct. I'm not sure. But I'm glad I finally have this, and I really love the slipcover. It's amazing. It's beautiful, and this movie is a great movie. Like, one of the best movies ever made. Probably the best Disney movie made. And one of the best movies ever made, definitely. And, let's see. The film is rated G, obviously. It's a great movie still, by the way. I mean, anyways. 88 minutes. And it's from 1994. It's a 1994 film. And I think it's the 2017 release, according to what it says down here. Yeah, 2017 release. So, go ahead and just... I don't want to damage this. And yeah, because it's digital, I'm not going to show it, sorry. So, it's pretty much the same as the slipcover. Nothing really different. The spine probably pretty much the same too, so... So, let me go ahead and just open it up real quick, if I can. I can just quickly do it. Hang on a second. Well, if I can open this up. I don't know if I can get it to open up. Might want to skip through this. I'm sorry. I apologize. This is taking long. There we go. All right. Let me just wrap all this carefully because I don't want to rip it. I don't want to damage the packaging. Okay. So that being done, get it to the side. The damn case. It's really annoying. There's no reason for it whatsoever. But they do it anyways, because it's, I don't know, it's stupid. Well. Okay, that's the best I could have done, I could do. Get all that off. I can. I'm trying to get all that off. And I'll just do it later. Anyways, there's the case. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up. Don't want to damage the case. It's kind of heavy, so it's got quite a few things in it. Yeah, it's got like it's digital, which I'm not gonna show. This either, and now this. Whoa! I did not know it was gonna come with film frames. This has film frames. That's pretty cool. From the movie, they're limited edition too. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so anyways, we get the DVD and we get the Blu-ray. Nothing much really said about that anyways, but I'm really glad I finally have this movie on Blu-ray. It's been a while since I've seen this film because I haven't owned it in a while. I had the DVD, but I don't know what happened to it, but I'm glad to finally have this on Blu-ray, and I know it's going to look beautiful, and I can't wait to see it. Disney Blu-rays are always awesome. I mean, like, they never fail. So, anyways, that's that. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and bye.